Now, these are a few of the pairs from my collection that I really love, but I'm considering or contemplating downsizing because I want to pick up a couple of grails. But the one that's the most accessible amongst all the pairs that I like is probably the Patta Air Max one. So I might just get rid of this mint condition, actually spiral green Air Max 1, but I might also get rid of my Undefeated Air Max 90s.
Many months later.
Right, so this is likely the last pickup of 2021 and I had to end the year strong. What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by if you're a subscriber, and if it's your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you stopped by. If you like the contents of this video, at any point of time, feel free to give it a thumbs up. The last pickup of 2021, I have what has been the most anticipated sneaker for me personally. You know, next year is going to be the 35th anniversary of the Air Max 1, and I was lucky to pick up the anniversary edition, which is your red and white colorway, while I was in Vietnam. And after that, I picked up, of course, the Spiral Sage Air Max 1, which was, to me, as close as I could get to the Patta chlorophyll. And of course, I sold the Spiral Sage Air Max 1 and the Undefeated Air Max 90 so I could get my hands on this pair. You have your Nike Patta branding right there, and I went with a size UK 8, which is what I always wear in most of my sneakers. Patta, God love for all. The Patta logo, Nike swoosh, also says get familiar. What else do we have? Over here it says Team Patta, and it also says Lobi Libi, which means love life, and that's done in Surinamese, and the founders of Patta are from Suriname, which is a country in South America, I guess. As you lift the lid open, you have this nice paper. So the paper comes with this fist printed all over, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, that stands for solidarity. If my understanding is wrong, please do let me know in the comments. And since I picked up the pair from Ox Street, there you have your authentication card. I wasn't lucky enough to get it at retail. The Patta Air Max 1 Monarch. I think it's called the Waves, the Patta Waves Air Max 1 Monarch. Monarch is the colorway, Waves, as you can tell, is the mudguard done in waves. And I gotta admit, when I initially saw pictures of this, I wasn't too interested because I was like, it's just waves. It reminds me of a curry. Also, the Monarch colorway is very similar to the curry colorway, which was a general release. Here you have your Ox Street authentication tag right there. Got the pair with the special bracelet pack. So you have this nice bag in which the bracelet comes. It's branded with Patta and Air Max. So there you have the Surinamese flag, the swoosh, and of course your Patta branding done right there as well. Your regular Air Max 1 true to size is how you should go if you've never owned a pair of Air Max 1 before. Your mudguard done in that new buck. This toe box is done in this pure platinum mesh. You have this aged cream midsole. Your outsole done in different concentrations of coffee. The lighter your coffee is, the further away you need to stay from me. Creamy finish is on the sock liner as well and on the tongue. But on the tongue, you also find your Patta branding right there with Air Max. This sneaker comes pre-laced with a gray lace, but lucky they also throw in an extra set of cream laces. So I am gonna swap out the laces into cream for sure, without a doubt. Your air unit, visible air unit as you know it. And that's about it. Is there any branding on the inside? Of course there is. And there you have the Patta branding on the insole of this Air Max. Now Patta has done a series of collabs, especially with the Air Max 1, since I think as early as 2008. And I'm glad I could get my hands on one of these because I've loved every single collab they've done, but this is what was more attainable. They did other colorways too, but of the entire lot, this is the pair that got my attention. Well, yet another perfect fall colorway, just like on my Birkenstocks 2C Boston clogs. And that's about it. You know all that there is to know about the Air Max 1. In case you want to look, there's that Nike Air branding, that mini swoosh on the toe area. Man, this is a nice pair actually. Well put together. This nubuck feels soft and smooth. This grey panels are super soft, super soft. I'm now gonna slip these on feet to show you what they look like. Can I get a... Oh yeah? Tell me though, does wearing the Patta bracelet qualify as a flex or is it cringe? Man, I really love this pair and I'm happy and I'm really happy I got my hands on them. This year I also got the Claude actually. I got the Claude Air Max 1, but between the two, I somehow love these. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. Here's your second reminder to leave a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one, you guys. Have a great new year. Peace.